lot of questions we get from creators. Is it the same as the long-form algorithm?
Hey everyone! In this video, we'll talk about why your YouTube Shorts might not be getting views or why they get stuck. You might see other new creators reaching millions of subscribers within a month, while your Shorts aren't getting many views, or maybe you got views at the start, but then they froze or dropped down to a few hundred views. Why does this happen? How do YouTube Shorts go viral? Which categories should you make Shorts in? How much can you earn from Shorts? Will uploading Shorts harm your main channel? We'll cover all these topics today, so make sure not to skip any part of the video. First, let's understand what's going on. When you upload a short, YouTube shows it to a small group of people, known as the seed audience. This is basically a test to see how people react to your video. If the video does well with them, it will be shown to a larger group, but if it doesn't perform well, your views may stop or drop. This often happens if your video doesn't grab attention quickly or if YouTube can't find the right audience for it. That's why some of your shorts might have low views, even if the content seems good. Now, let's talk about the YouTube Shorts algorithm. Whether you have 0 or 1,000 subscribers, the algorithm still gives your shorts a chance by showing them to a small audience first. If those people like, comment, or share your video, the algorithm shows it to more people. But if they don't engage with it, your views may freeze. Here's something super important, the 3-second rule. You have just 3 seconds to grab your audience's attention. If you can hook them in those first few seconds, they're more likely to watch the whole video, increasing your chances of going viral. You can use sound effects or a strong hook to make those first seconds stand out. Bigger creators use this technique if you want to learn more about how the YouTube algorithm works, check out my previous video where I explain the steps to going viral in simple words. Link in the description below. Sometimes, your views freeze because YouTube is still testing your video, or it just hasn't found the right audience yet. It's also possible that if you're using trending music or copying popular content, YouTube's algorithm might not push your video as much. Another common mistake is trying to delete and re-upload shorts if they don't perform well. Don't do that. YouTube keeps track of all your activity, and deleting content could decrease your channel's reach. Also, if your channel used to post long-form content, your subscribers might not engage with your shorts, and this could affect your views. So, how do you fix this? The key is to keep your audience engaged. Use hooks in the first few seconds, add fun sound effects, and create curiosity. Check out these shorts where they create curiosity at the starting points.
This is how you open a $100,000 car door. It's actually just a human.
And remember, YouTube tests your shorts with new people, so don't give up if one video doesn't go viral. Keep posting, and keep improving. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about YouTube Shorts. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your channel.